contribution to my project and month and time. There are 365 days in year. There are 12 months in year. 24 hours is 1 day. 60 minutes is called 1 hour. 60 seconds is called 1 minute. Leap year 366. Thank you.